Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how you can take it out this smart watch band. This is the one I have and I would like to show that how you can take it out. Of course, the professional way you need to get this kind of tools that you need to take it out. This band, also knife. This is the for especially for the watch. But if you don't buy and you don't have this tool, I can show you how you can easily take it out the band. If you have a credit card or plastic card and anything, you can use it. Or this is the credit card also, but it's metal and it's very nice credit card. Also, this is the Swiss knife. It's sharper a little bit, but if you have a knife that is not sharp that much, then you can use that knife. Yeah. So go ahead and start it. And what we're gonna do, like as you see, if you bend this band, you will see the little bit of the right there pin. There is a pin right there, right this corner. What are you gonna do? Put the credit card right, right there, between watch and band, and push it little bit right left side of I am holding the watch, and but you push on your left, which means my left, and I am pushing and then push down also same time. Yeah, let's try the other way. Let's just sorry, right there, you see the metal, like right there. This is the one pin that it should come out. Just push a little bit, right there. Let's try the metal one. Yeah. Yeah, it's open. When you push the pin itself, it comes out. Pushing the left side and pushing the down same time. This is the pin, as you see, comes out. This is the one. Let's see if you push it this side. So it's going in. The other side also, look at this. See, goes in. This is the then same way. What are you gonna do? You wanna put it back and just push this pin inside the band, right inside the band, and there is a hole here, right there. Are you guys seeing or not? Right there, there is a hole. So right there, and just you put that hole, this pin, where is it, right there, and hold it with your thumb, finger. Okay, then there's a corner of the pin. Push the corner of the pin. Yeah, a little bit. As you see, the top of. All right. Right there. right there. It's going in. See? Yeah, it's now in. Yeah, that's it. That's it. See, it's in. So this is the way it is. Yeah, you just bend it the other way. That, as you see, this is the way you can take a smart watch band. You can take it this way and put it on the yeah, exactly how I show you guys. Yeah, well, another side also same way. I mean, it's, of course, you just bend it this side. You're seeing the right there, like you're seeing the pin. Yeah. Anything that, as I said, credit card, knife. This is so sharp, but you can try not the sharper one. See, this is easy. Easy came out. See, but this is little sharp. That's why I didn't show you guys that. Try with this, but this is easy way to take it out, as you see. If you have a knife, but it's not too sharp, little dull, this is so sharp. Yeah, you can use easily and put it there exactly, and then it comes out. And let's see, let's put it back. Put the hole in exactly that place, and then hold it. Right, there's a hole here. Go ahead, put in the hole, and be careful. This knife so sharp. I am sometimes afraid to, because it's so sharp. See, that's it. This is the way it is. Oh, sorry. That's the way it is, but not yet. What you do? Okay, right there, as you see, right there. Right there. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's just pushing the band. That's it. That's the only thing that, you don't know why I'm afraid. So I'm afraid that I might cut my finger. So that's the reason I'm doing very slowly. Right there. Come on. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is, oh, not yet, not yet. Okay, let's do it again. Just push to this hole. Then, right there. Okay, this is the way it is. So, I hope I am helpful to you guys, and this is the smart watch, and this is the way you can easily put the band, change the band, and yeah, you need, what do you need? And credit card, metal. I have a metal credit card, so this is plastic card that you can use it. This knife, a Swiss knife, is take the very well this pin. But well, you can use this too. All right, guys. Hopefully, I am helpful to you. And yeah, next time with another video, I'll see you guys. And please subscribe. And see you soon. Bye bye.